have a fail for the second day in a row, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this down and repair it. Okay, I've got it down and in for repairs. Plug it in and see what it does inside. Okay, it's still half lit. So I will do what I did to it last night. See if that'll get it working again. And there it goes. And as you can see, there are several light bulbs burned out. So I will now address that problem. And this has O-rings holding it together, so I've got my various picks, and I will pull those O-rings off now. But first, I will unplug so we're safe. Okay, some of them are missing, but see, there's one right here. We'll see if I can get that pick underneath it and pull that off. Okay, there's one. And there's another one right here. There's two. And looks like that's all. So it comes in half like that. Now I can see what type of bulbs this takes. According to this, it takes 2.5 volt lamps. So we'll try those out and see. I have plenty of those in stock, so it's not a problem. And since this is a GE product, I'm going to be using these. Okay, I'll pull this one off since it's right on the edge. And I'd recommend unplugging these before working on them, but pull the old bulb out. Right there. Grab a new one. And insert it. And there's another bulb fixed. Put the reflector back on it. And just repeat that for the rest of the burned out bulbs. It's not going to be easy to tell on camera, but I've taken a Sharpie and put a mark on all the burned out bulbs. So then I can start taking the reflectors off and changing bulbs. Well, things have taken a turn for the worse. So I had to bust out the Lightkeeper Pro. See if I can get that. Yeah, we're good. Alright, continue changing bulbs out. This one's missing its cover, so that's my Lightkeeper Pro bulb right there. Of course, it's on top, so you won't notice it. So my procedure on getting these bulbs out is this. Very carefully make sure y'all are in the camera. Very carefully take the pliers, just pull the bulb out. Don't worry about the base. And then Try to grab a hold of the base and pull it out too. Okay, there's the base. And grab a bulb. Let's see, I need a blue one. Got one right here. And just insert the new bulb. Because these plastic reflectors, they're really sharp and they don't like to come off very easy. So plug it in and see if that's a good bulb. And it's not working again, so we'll like Keeper Pro it. Okay. This one is looking to be destined to be a part set. So I will continue changing bulbs until I get them all done, and I'll check back in a little bit. Okay, I now have one half with all the bulbs working again, and I have three bulbs out on this other side, so I will get those replaced. Okay, looks like it's back in service. There's all the bulbs that were burned out. So I'll put this back up and see if it'll make it another 2 weeks. And now for reassembly. It's just a matter of lining up these two halves. They have a little tab that goes between the two ends. And I just take the pliers and squeeze them back together all the way around. And then I get my O-ring and 2 picks. Kind of something like that. And then I just kind of work them back around. And get the O-ring to slip over that so the sphere will stay together. Had a few O-rings missing, so I've got my handy O-ring kit, so that's no problem to replace those. Okay, it's finally all back together and it's working pretty well. So we'll see how long it lasts. Alright, and we're all back in service. It's been my repairing the lighted sphere. Thanks for watching.